thinking. I think that bird sounds, paying attention to birds, paying attention to bird sounds, I thought it was a little pond, you know, a little puddle, I like it. And I was gonna just dip a toe in. I was like, what is this? Just paying attention, like they literally look straight at me. You know what I mean? What is happening here? And it was deeper than I expected. It was much deeper. Like, it's only getting deeper as we go. The bird sounds, birds are more complicated than I thought. But they're great company because I'm so supported by so many of them. The knowledge and wonder I have towards all the birds. When I pay attention and I listen to them, I can differentiate the sounds between the different birds. It's really peaceful. I wanted to share that I use breath to slow myself down. I use breath to anchor myself to my body so that with my body I'm able to be in the present moment where life feels more clear, where life feels more awake, where life feels I'm showing you what I'm referring to. This is the clarity I'm referring to. The birds support me. Allow nature to support you. I'm hearing river dance. It's a Irish dancing. River dance is an Irish dancing extravaganza. Drag, art, a mixture of different cultures. It was an honoring. It was a performative art piece that inspired me to start dancing from a very young age. From a very young age, I started Irish dancing at 4. So I was dancing at 3? Oh my god. I was dancing at 3. I tried to start at 4. No,